Let's answer this inorganic chemistry question from ACS and CO. A 0.1 molar aqueous solution containing which metal ion is least intensely colored? Ang choices, chromium 2+, manganese 2+, cobalt 2+, and nickel 2+. So, sa aqueous solution, may water which can act as a ligand to form octahedral complex. Paano natin malalaman kung may color or wala yung complex? We need to recall the spin selection rule. Spin-allowed transitions are electronic transitions that have no change in number of unpaired electron. Or sa madaling salita, kapag nag-excite ka ng electron from ground state to excited state, hindi dapat magbabago yung spin ng kahit anong electron. This is also called the DD transitions, and ito yung responsible sa color ng octahedral complexes. Meanwhile, spin-forbidden transitions require electrons to flip its spin, and usually it results to colorless complexes for spin-forbidden transitions. To determine if spin-allowed or spin-forbidden yung system, dapat isulat muna natin yung DN configuration ng metal centers. Ito yung mga DN configuration, and meron akong video about it. I-check nyo na lang. And then, recall, water is a weak-filled ligand, and we can sketch the crystal field splitting pattern of the following octahedral complexes. So, ito yung magiging splitting pattern. Let's look at the following configurations. For D4, if in-excite natin yung electron na naka-color red from T2G to EG, spin allowed kasi hindi natin binago yung spin ng electron. Same with D7, spin allowed. D8, spin allowed kasi wala tayong binabagong spin ng electron. However, for D5, if in-excite natin yung isang electron, notice magiging parehang upward spin. So, hindi yun allowed according to Aufbau principle. So, we need to change the spin of one electron, and therefore, that is spin forbidden. So, ang sagot ay B, Mn2+, kasi ito ay D5 high spin. In summary, kapag spin forbidden yung transitions, it will result to colorless or very pale solution.